Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book an airport transfer on Expedia. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Expedia deals of 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is an online travel platform that allows you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and airport transfers all in one place. It's convenient, easy to use, and helps you compare prices to get the best deals. First, open the Expedia website and click on Flights. Here, you can choose between round-trip, one-way, or multi-city flights. Next, type in the city you are leaving from and select it. Then, type in the country or city you are going to and select it. Now, choose your travel dates. After that, select the number of travelers, including adults and children, and pick the cabin class, such as economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Once everything is selected, click on Search. Now, you can sort the flights using different options, such as recommended, price lowest to highest, or price highest to lowest. You can also explore more options depending on your preference. For example, if you select lowest to highest, you can check all the flights, their prices, and timings. Scroll down to view all available flights. You can check the departure time in the city you are leaving from and the arrival time in your destination city. Now, click on any flight to see more details. Check the baggage options and review all the flight details carefully. Then, click on Select to proceed. Here, you can also explore package deals that include hotels or other offers. If you don't want a package, simply click on No Thanks. Now, review all the details of your flight, including fare type, flex options, seats, and baggage charges. Next, click on Checkout. Here, you need to enter your personal details, such as your full name, select your country and area code, and enter your phone number. Then, select your passport country, gender, and date of birth. Finally, review the travelers and ensure all details are correct before confirming your booking. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.